guys, welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be still week 3. I think there are maybe one more video after this. So today we are going to be talking about contouring and blush. So the products that we are going to be using today are these two j.cat beauty face palettes. These are the face color palettes from j.cat Beauty. This is the medium to deep and light medium. So, okay, like in the last video, I'm not very great at contouring. So I'm just gonna give you my tips and tricks on how to contour. So I've never tried using a cream contour before, so I'm gonna try using it today. So for people who don't know what contouring is, it's kind of just like creating shadow to like lift your face, I guess. And then, okay, so when choosing a foundation shade, contouring shade, you don't want to choose a shade that's too orange or too shimmery. So you want to choose like a taupe base color. So let's get started. So I'm gonna actually take this one here from the palette. I'm going to take my e.l.f. contouring brush, which is this kind of flat, long brush. So I'm going to dip into this. Okay, so when doing my research for this video, I found out that doing highlight first is way easier. So I'm going to start with highlight first. I'm going to use the light medium palette, and I'm going to take this shade. And I'm just going to use my Sonia Kashuk concealer brush. I'm just going to start kind of placing this in the highlight area. So I'm going to start in the forehead. I'm going to kind of come down the nose. Now I'm going to go under the eye. So for this, I don't want that huge like rectangular shape. I just want to kind of highlight this area and this area. That's pretty much it. And the same thing on this side. Okay, now I'm going to just highlight the chin. Okay, so we're going to leave it like this for now, and then we're going to go straight into contour. Okay, so I'm going to start by first finding out where my cheekbone is. So some people suck in, so like a fish face. Or what I like to do is I like to kind of press gently along here and find out where the cheekbone is, just like when you want to find out where your crease is to kind of pat that area. I kind of want to like kind of scoop, so we're going to kind of create like a, almost like a Nike symbol. So exactly like that. Alright, I forgot that part. Okay, so now I'm going to kind of contour the jawline. So I'm just going to nicely sweep that area. Next, I'm going to pick up a little bit more and then contour the nose. Just kind of right along the side. And I'm not going to do anything like that. Okay, when it comes to blending this in, I like like we started applying, we're gonna start blending in the highlight first. So I'm gonna use my sponge to blend it. I'm just going to start pressing this into the skin. So normally I would put this on top of the foundation, or I haven't really tried, oh wait, I'm blending in the contour. I haven't really tried putting contour underneath the foundation. I should try that. Okay, now we can blend the contour. Now I kind of want to kind of blend it out, or up, I mean, and out. Okay, so when it comes to setting the cream contour, for the highlight you're going to press, and then for the contour you're going to roll. So I'm just going to press in the highlight areas first. And then I'm just going to roll in the contour areas. And I used the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation to set the contour. Okay, now for blush, I'm going to use a cream blush. This is the Honest Beauty cream blush in the color Coral Peach. I'm first just going to use my finger to apply it. I'm going to apply this very, very lightly, kind of right at the apple. I don't want to, yeah, okay. I'm going to kind of use my pinky to just blend it just a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with a brush to blend it even more. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. blush brush, and I'm just going to blend this. Then we can also start to set this. Okay, that was it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow for the last week for week 3, or the last day for week 3. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye!